the Earth floats in the universe. Calling it a speck of dust is not an exaggeration at all, because the vastness of the universe far exceeds human imagination. And to gain an intuitive sense of humanity's smallness, this video will take you from Earth to the deepest reaches of the universe, without doubt, to explore a series of ultimate mysteries unknown to us. Our first stop is the Moon. This is Earth's only natural satellite, and the only extraterrestrial body humans have ever landed on. Its surface is pockmarked with craters almost everywhere. Next, we arrive at Mars, a silent desert where not a single blade of grass grows. Nowadays, including China's G. Several Mars rovers have explored the surface of Mars. Right after that, we fly past the asteroid belt, a dense region made of at least 500,000 small bodies, composed of numerous minor objects. And then we enter the realm of Jupiter. Jupiter's volume is 1,321 times that of Earth, making it the largest planet in the solar system. It hosts a storm so large, powerful enough to swallow Earth, known as Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Saturn, by contrast, has extremely prominent rings, which are billions of tiny, icy snowballs, each one essentially a small particle. Finally, we reach Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants at the outer edge of the solar system. Beyond them lies the famous Kuiper Belt. So far, only the Voyager probes, the Pioneer probes, for a total of 5 spacecraft, have ever visited this region. And this is also where Pluto resides. In 1950, the Dutch astronomer Jan Oort proposed a bold hypothesis that the entire solar system is wrapped in a giant spherical cloud, the so-called Oort cloud. It is composed of many inactive comets, with a diameter of about 2 light. Unfortunately, because it is so distant, it has not yet been directly observed, and it may be impossible to observe it directly. As we continue outward along the Oort cloud, we begin to notice more and more firefly-like points of light. Each of them is a star, gathering together to form the entire Milky Way. Our Milky Way is an ordinary spiral galaxy, like an island glowing with light, from which extend several grand spiral arms. And Earth lies on the Orion arm, about 26,000 light-years from the bright core. Looking outward from the Milky Way, we can see a small group of about 50 galaxies, which together form a compact group, known as the Local Group, spanning about 10 million light-years, like an archipelago of luminous islands in the cosmos. But beyond this lies the still larger Virgo supercluster, with a diameter of at least 100 million light-years, consisting of roughly 2,000 galaxies, forming an even larger cosmic system. Within this, our Milky Way is merely an inconspicuous point of light. Yet even the Virgo super is only the tip of the iceberg of the Laniakea super, a colossal complex of about 100,000 galaxies, gravitationally bound together, with a fearsome diameter of 520 million light-years. Beyond that, the universe is filled with large-scale filamentary structures like these, distributed throughout all of space, together forming the observable universe. In March 2013, according to ESA's Planck Space Telescope, which mapped the cosmic microwave background, the radiation data indicates that the universe is 13.82 billion years old. And because the universe is continuously expanding, taking Earth as the reference point, the observable universe, with a radius of 46.5 billion light-years, is already the limit of what humans can observe. What lies beyond this boundary? No one yet knows. Since we have come this far, there is inevitably a question worth deep reflection. As the saying goes, compared to heaven and earth, we are tiny, like a single grain in the vast sea. We are but grains of sand in the universe, and nothing more. On a sufficiently large scale, even everything about human civilization appears utterly insignificant. So why should we cling to so-called fame and wealth?